So guys, I've had a little problem with my beam engine this week, so I'm going to continue it next time. So for this video, I'm just going to put one of my other projects I have been trying to do. Thank you. Hi everyone, I tried to make a pulse motor rotate 24/7. Then I thought of an idea. I had a comment from Telboy 2002 and Samson CJ on my project number 122. So what they suggested is put a super capacitor in instead of the battery, and I did. But what I didn't do it on my coil because I know it draws a lot of current, and I thought just try a solar flower and take 2 leads out and put it through, and I'm going to show you the circuit. I'm going to show you what I've done there right now in a minute, but that's what I did. So I want to thank Telboy 2002 and Samson CJ for that suggestion, because it does work, and I'll show you the videos after this of the times I took the video over a few days. So what I've done, guys, is I took, where the LED goes, I took the 2 leads out from the LED and put it onto the input where you would charge this. So it would go into here, charging this capacitor, and the output, I took the bulb out of this, and the output of connected to these 2 leads here, which is going straight to the coil in there. So was straight to this battery kind of thing. So what's happening is that while this is doing it in the daytime, this does it at night time. That's in theory. So just to show you the charge on this 1.3 volts already on the capacitor. So that's how it works. I'm going to try and put it all together and see what happens. So guys, the flower is going. Even though it looks a bit light on the camera, it's not. Outside it's dark. It should have stopped by now. It's like about 8:30 coming on to 9 o'clock at night. So that's the super cap there. Well guys, there's the flower. It's still going. Some light in here. There's the flower. As you can see, it's still going. And it's 3:30 in the morning. I had to wait a long time before I videoed this because I just couldn't wake up in the middle of the night. There you go, guys. I'm really pleased with this. I shall put it all nicely together and take the final video of this project. I don't know if you can see, guys, this is kind of 10 to 5. You've got a little bit of light there, but not enough to run the flower. And I don't think you can see clearly here. I'm going to put my phone on. There it is. Can you see the flower still moving a bit? So yeah. So I would say this experiment is a success, and I'll put it together and leave it like that. That is 4:45 in the morning, and soon it will be light anyway, so that flower will be moving. Fantastic. Okay guys, so I've already, I think, shown this on another video, but I'll just let you know that that's the super cap I put on instead of the battery there. I took the battery out. I wasn't sure if it's going to work, but it did work through the night, and that's the solar. Of course, I could probably put these 2 together as one unit, but I'm kind of going to leave it as it is now because it does work good. So guys, I've tidied up a bit. stuck this down here and just made this up with cardboard. I put the other part inside there. I could have used this but I didn't, and this way it's working good, and it's working now. It's working off the capacitor. So that's it guys, it's on this place here now. It'll work on day and night hopefully. So if you like this project, please subscribe, thumbs up, and thank you for watching. The only thing I'm going to say is that I did it with this because it takes very little power, but one day if I can, I'm able to use the coil out of here and make a pulse motor, then I will do that. Then that will be really good. Thank you for watching.